Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, summer's coming, and everyone's asking us, how can we keep this butter, this sweet butter, from melting down? So, I'm bringing these two important butters to you. You cannot afford not to have Illy Pay nut butter and Kokum nut butter in your mixes this summer because that would keep your butter from melting down. So, whipped butters do not have chemicals, so they can remain stable in the heat and different varying temperatures. So, these butters actually help them to maintain the texture and stability that you're hoping to achieve by using them. So, Illy peanut butter is a very hard, dense butter. So, it's obtained from the nuts of the Illy tree itself, and it's processed lightly and it retains all the benefits, the fatty acids that it contains. It's rock solid. The version we carry, there's different versions of it, but we have the very hard version that you can use to make lotion bars, and you can use them to make your body butter stable. Also, Kokum butter adds that matte finish, as you can see from the picture in this video, the cover picture. We use Kokum butter and we achieved this very beautiful matte finish. This is the butter itself. It's very pure and clean, and it helps you just retain the balance that you're hoping for in your butters. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like. Thank you.